In my 3-shoe face-off video, I declared the Hoka Kaha 3 the winner and said all I needed to do was to go up a half size to be wearing the best shoe. I've gone up a half size and the shoes still don't fit right. Now, part of this is me. I am a bit obsessive about finding the best shoe for my hikes, and I invest a lot of time and money doing so. And I also have 2 feet with different fit issues, but part of it is the shoe itself. A bit of perspective comes from understanding how these shoes are manufactured. They're made in Vietnam with quite a bit of the work done by hand by humans. And with humans comes human variation. Here, the right shoe is 1/8 of an inch shorter than the left shoe. Now, I don't know if that's what causes the fit issues for me, but it certainly doesn't help. This is compounded by the fact the Kaha 3s are sized considerably smaller than the Kaha 2s. This is my 4th pair of Hokas trying to get the size right. First, I got some 2s in my usual size of 12, and they were way too long. So I ordered the upcoming 3s in size 11.5. They were ridiculously small. I couldn't even fit into them. So I got a 3rd pair in size 12. They were too short, so I got these 12.5s, the largest shoe I've ever worn. They remain a bit too short in the toe. But I'm getting worn out with buying, having these shipped to me, and then returning these. It's also not ecologically justifiable to do all of this shipping and returns without finding a satisfactory product. Now, I may try a pair of 13s the next time I go to REI, but 5 pairs of shoes trying to get the right size is getting ridiculous. Now, one lesson from this might be, if you are interested in this shoe, which is an excellent shoe, don't have it shipped to your home, try it, and return it if it doesn't fit. Rather, go to a shoe store that stocks a large selection of these and try them on in the shoe store. That would probably solve the problems that I've been having so far. There are so many things that are good about the shoe, and the thing I like best is the sole. It's just perfectly made for somebody who strikes hard on the heel like me, and it feels like you're walking on clouds. These are heavenly, except for me, the fit in the toe area is just too tight, and the shoes are just too short. For me, the sizing problems have sunk what otherwise promised to be a good shoe. Plus, reading reviews, it's apparent many customers have sizing issues with the new 3s. With Hoka's free shipping, free trial, and free returns, that means a lot of money is being wasted on improperly sized shoes. And at some point, Hoka will straighten out the sizing issue, and then another round of returns will occur from customers who bought up a size or more and now find them to be too large. One would think a company that makes shoes for a living would have worked out these sizing issues, but apparently that's not the case. As for me, I decided to give the Topo Trail Ventures a test during their 30-day free trial to see if the durability issues I experienced persist. And then I'll either go with them or the Ultra Olympus 5s, which are still available at a discount from Amazon. My search for the best shoe, unfortunately, continues. I hope you find this information helpful, and thank you for watching.